I'm guessing you've come here because you're looking for new methods to make money online. If that's the case, then you've come to the right place with this new method we have for you. We will be earning decent amounts of PayPal money just by liking videos online. Impossible? I don't think so. Just stick with me so we can work through it together. If you're still hesitant, try to imagine your life if you earned consistent amounts of money through PayPal. You could make a down payment on that place you wanted for a long time, a down payment on that laptop, a new phone, or almost anything you want. You may even support your family with the money you've earned by using this method of ours, which is why you should focus your attention on this short video so that I can help you in earning money and leading you to the life you desire. This technique is open to anyone, anywhere in the world. Therefore, there are no restrictions. You don't need any special skills, and you don't need any prior experience to use this strategy. It won't make you a millionaire, but if you're a beginner, it could be the best option for you. This method works great too if you're just somebody out there who wants to earn money on the sidelines. I'll take you through the entire process step by step because I want to make sure you have the best chance of succeeding with each method I'll be teaching you. But before we start, if it is your first time here, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First off, I want you to go onto your web browser and type rapidworkers.com. Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. It says right here that they help individuals, which are small businesses and professionals, to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, to better their ranking backlinks, and so much more. Now, you may want to sign up as a worker on this website. Browse through the micro job that they have on offer, select the job you like, finish those tasks, and submit your proof, and right after that, you'll be earning your money through this website. You can cash out using PayPal, bank transfer, as well as other payment methods that you can see here. Now, I'll be walking you through the process of signing up to see and know more. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back into the video. So, click on this button that says, "Be a part of Rapid Workers now." Then it should lead you to this page here. I want you to fill up all the information it needs. So type in your name, email address, password, and select your country. You can see from this list of countries that they are actually accepting applicants from all over the world. This just goes to show that this method is indeed something that you can do from wherever you are in the globe. Once you've done that, I want you to confirm that you are not a robot and you're basically done setting up your account. Do keep in mind, the rules that they have set up for you should be followed accordingly, so you have a hassle-free time in working on this website. They're pretty simple. Anyway, number 1, you're not allowed to use VPN or any other type of masking IP software. You're not allowed multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. You're also not allowed the same IP used with other accounts to do tasks, and you're also not allowed to do jobs that are assigned to the country that you're not from. Keep in mind that if you break any of these rules, it might just get you banned. So don't waste your time trying to cheat the system. Again, I really urge you to stick to these rules so you won't waste this opportunity if you get banned. It's better to be safe than sorry, you know? Once you've created your account, they're going to ask you to confirm your email. So check your email inbox and click on the link provided in the email that was sent to you. Now that you have verified your account, you can just log into the account on the Rapid Workers website. As you can see, right now, this is how your dashboard will look like. Right on top, you can keep track of a lot of different things like your total deposits, your total withdrawals, and a bunch of other stuff too. I forgot to share to you earlier. You can actually get paid $1 to $5 by simply signing up. The earning potential on this website is absolutely incredible. Plus, you can do this non-stop, so there's absolutely no limit. Upon scrolling through the page, you can see all of these tasks that you can do, and all of them have their respective payments. They are really transparent. You'll see the amount of money you can earn from each task, and the amount of time you might spend completing the task. All of them only take a couple of minutes. Most of them take 3 minutes long or less than 10 minutes. On this side here, you can also see the respective countries that these tasks are available in. Fair warning though, watch out for the tasks that aren't labeled international or aren't labeled the country of your origin, because remember, it's against the rules to take on jobs that are not meant for your country of origin. Just to be safe, keep your eyes out for the international ones, especially with what I said earlier, that our focus is going to be doing tasks that involve simply liking videos. So to do that, on the search bar right here, I want you to look up YouTube and click on this button that says Most Paid. That will then sort the jobs according to how much money you might be able to make when completing them. So just click on that and we will be able to see the highest paying tasks first. Now let's see here. There are actually tasks that pay you this much money, and it will only take this much time. Imagine earning that amount of money in so little time. That means you can accomplish a number of different tasks in just a matter of an hour, for example. Don't you think how great that is? Now for an example, let's take a look at this task right here. It will pay us this much money to accomplish it in this amount of time. Let's go ahead and just click on that, and as you can see, it will lead us to this page right here. Now all that's left to do is to follow all of the instructions to complete the task, and once you're done, you'll get paid. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.